For a quick review with comparing fractions, remember, the whole must be the same. You should also use tools, your fraction bars, fraction circles, or your number lines. Let's practice today by comparing 2/4 of an inch and 6/8 of an inch. Because they're both of an inch, I know that the whole is the same because they're both of an inch. So the whole is 1/2 inch. The first tool I can use are my fraction circle pieces. So I need fourths and I need eighths. One is 2/4. Just going to unconnect them. One is just 2/4. And one, so I'm going to get rid of these other pieces. And one is 6/8. So 4, 5, 6. So again, I'm going to get rid of 2 pieces and put these back together. So I can tell without actually even putting them next to each other that I have a larger number of blue spaces than I do the yellow, right? But if I have my red as my whole, my yellow pieces cover about half of the whole, whereas my blue pieces cover more than half of the whole. Therefore, 6/8 is larger than or greater than 2/4. Let's look at our fraction poster. I want to look at my fourths number line, excuse me, and my eighths number line at the bottom. 2/4 is right here, and 6/8 is down here. Imagine a line connecting this straight up. It appears like 6/8 is equivalent to 3/4 because they line up with the same line and are the same distance away from 0. Because 2/4 is closer to 0, I know that 2/4 is less than 6/8. As you work on today's archaeological dig assignment, please be on the lookout for if the wholes are the same, if there are any equivalent fractions, or fractions that you can compare using your fraction tools. Again, those tools are your fraction bars, fraction circles, and your fraction number lines.